In the previous videos, we discussed GnRH-based protocols that control ovulation and prostaglandin-based protocols that work by destroying the corpus luteum. In this final video, we will focus on the third major group of estrus synchronization methods, progesterone-based protocols, especially the most commonly used system using a device called CIDR. CIDR stands for Controlled Internal Drug Release. It is a progesterone-releasing device inserted into the vagina of the cow, which continuously releases progesterone into the bloodstream. This maintains a high progesterone level similar to the luteal phase, preventing heat and ovulation during the treatment period. To understand it in a practical way, let us imagine a farm situation. Suppose we again have 4 cows. Cow A is in early cycle, Cow B is in mid-cycle with a corpus luteum, Cow C is near heat, and Cow D is in an irregular or weak cycling stage after calving. Normally, these cows would come into heat at different times. The goal of progesterone-based synchronization is to bring all these cows under the same hormonal control so that heat occurs together. The most commonly used protocol is the CIDR plus PGF₂α protocol. In this method, the CIDR device is inserted on day 0 in all cows. From this point, progesterone levels remain high and all cows are kept in a non-heat state regardless of their cycle stage. On day 6 or 7, a prostaglandin injection is given to destroy any existing corpus luteum in cows that have one. After this, the CIDR is removed on day 7. Once the CIDR is removed and prostaglandin has acted, progesterone levels drop sharply in all cows at the same time. This sudden hormonal drop allows follicles to grow, estrogen to rise, and synchronized heat to occur. Most cows show estrus on day 9 to 10, and artificial insemination is performed during this synchronized heat period. Another commonly used system is the CIDR combined with the Ovsynch protocol. On day 0, the CIDR is inserted with the first GnRH injection, where GnRH initiates a new follicular wave and the CIDR provides progesterone to suppress estrus. On day 7, prostaglandin, PGF₂α, is administered to regress the corpus luteum, and the CIDR is removed to allow progesterone levels to fall. Finally, on day 9, approximately 48 to 56 hours after PGF₂α and CIDR removal, a second GnRH injection is given at the time of fixed-time artificial insemination to induce ovulation, ensuring precise synchronization of follicular development and ovulation timing. Overall, CIDR-based synchronization works by directly controlling progesterone rather than relying only on luteolysis. It is especially useful in cows with irregular cycles or postpartum anestrus, where natural synchronization is difficult. By using CIDR, all cows are brought into a controlled hormonal state, and after removal, they return to heat together in a predictable window, improving breeding efficiency and conception management. Thank you for watching Vetcare. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple veterinary lessons.